Step 1. Sanitize. Proper sanitation minimizes the risk of transmitting bacteria, fungi, or viruses through nail tools, products, and surfaces. Step 2. Push back the cuticles. Step 3. Use flame bit to lift dead cuticles. Step 4. Use ball bit to remove cuticles. Step 5. Use dust brush to remove dust from filing. Step 6. Use nipper to cut the excess cuticles. Step 7. File the natural nails. Step 8. Clean the nails. Step 9. Apply dehydrator to remove any remaining oils and moisture from the nail plate. Step 10. Apply primer. It creates a sticky base to bond the nail enhancement without damaging the nail plate. Step 11. Apply base coat. The base coat serves as a protective layer for the natural nails and enhances the durability and adhesion of the polish or nail enhancement. Step 12. Cure for 60 seconds. Step 13. Rough the under of nail tips. Step 14. Apply glue on tips. Apply a small amount of glue to the well of the soft gel tip. You can also put a thin layer on the natural nail for added adhesion. Step 15. Apply on nails. Press down gently from the cuticle area toward the free edge to eliminate any air bubbles and ensure a snug fit. And cure for 5 seconds. Step 16. File and shape. Shape the soft gel tips with a file to achieve your desired length and shape. Step 17. Blending. Gently buff the area where the tip meets the natural nail to blend the two together. Focus on the edge of the tip where it meets the natural nail, gradually thinning the edge to create a seamless transition. Step 18. Clean with lint-free cotton. Step 19. Apply base coat. Step 20. Apply gel polish first and second coat. Step 21. Apply top coat. For extra shine and durability, cure the top coat for 60 seconds under the UV or LED lamp. Step 22. Clean the nails. Step 23. Apply cuticle oil.